Hey everyone, welcome back to Gearhead Reviews, the channel where we break down the latest rides, dig into what makes them tick, and help you decide whether they're worth your time and money. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our car reviews, deep dives, and comparisons. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2025 Toyota Camry. That's right, the Camry, one of the most reliable and best-selling sedans in the world, is back with a fresh look, upgraded features, and something big under the hood. Toyota has completely reimagined the Camry for 2025, and there's a lot to talk about. So, let's jump in. At first glance, the 2025 Camry looks sharper, bolder, and sportier than ever. Toyota's clearly aiming to shake off the old, boring sedan stereotype, and we think they've done a great job with that. The front fascia is aggressive with a wide grille, sleek LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines that make the car look like it's in motion even when it's standing still. Around the back, the taillights are slimmer and the bumper design is cleaner, giving it a more refined appearance overall. Whether you go for the L, SE, XLE, or XSE trim, each one has its own unique styling touches, so there's something for everyone. Now here's where things get interesting. Toyota has made a bold move by making the 2025 Camry exclusively hybrid. That's right, no more gas-only versions. Every trim now comes with Toyota's 5th-generation hybrid powertrain. It pairs a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of around 225 horsepower for front-wheel drive models and 232 horsepower for the all-wheel drive versions. That's a solid improvement in both performance and efficiency. You can expect better acceleration and, of course, improved fuel economy. Toyota says it'll get around 50 miles per gallon, depending on the trim and drive mode. That's impressive for a midsize sedan with this level of comfort and performance. Inside the cabin, Toyota has stepped up its game big time. The interior feels more premium, more modern, and more tech-savvy. Soft touch materials, new trim accents, and a driver-focused layout make the 2025 Camry feel like it belongs in a higher class. The L and SE models come with an 8-inch touchscreen, while the higher-end XL and XSE trims feature a larger 12.3-inch display. Both screens run the latest Toyota audio multimedia system, which includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and available cloud-based navigation. There's also an optional digital gauge cluster and a head-up display if you want that extra tech edge. Another area where the Camry really shines is safety. Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard across all trims. That includes pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, adaptive cruise control, road sign assist, and more. It's good to know that no matter which model you pick, you're getting a solid safety package right out of the gate. When it comes to comfort and space, the Camry still delivers. The seats are supportive, even on longer drives, and rear passengers have plenty of legroom. The trunk space is also quite generous for a hybrid, with minimal sacrifice due to the battery placement. Toyota clearly thought about practicality as much as performance. Driving-wise, the 2025 Camry feels smoother and more responsive than previous generations. The electric motor helps deliver instant torque at low speeds, and the hybrid system transitions seamlessly between electric and gas power. It's quiet, comfortable, and confident on the road. The steering is nicely weighted, and handling is solid for a car in this class. If you opt for the XSE trim, you even get a sport-tuned suspension that adds a bit more fun to your daily drive. So, who is the 2025 Camry for? Honestly, it's a great option for just about anyone who wants a reliable, stylish, fuel-efficient, and tech-loaded sedan. Whether you're commuting, driving with the family, or just want something dependable that still feels modern and engaging, the Camry checks all the boxes. Toyota's move to go all-hybrid shows they're committed to a more efficient future, but without sacrificing the practicality and performance people expect. To wrap it up, the 2025 Toyota Camry isn't just another refresh. It's a complete shift in the right direction. With a new look, better performance, hybrid efficiency, and tons of tech, Toyota has made one of its most popular cars even better. If you're in the market for a midsize sedan, this one should definitely be on your shortlist. That's it for today's review. If you like the video, Go ahead and hit that like button, and let us know in the comments, what do you think about the all-hybrid direction? Are you excited or still on the fence? And if you haven't already, subscribe to Gearhead Reviews for more car content just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.